As per the Quebec government's recent directive, everyone entering and circulating in a McGill building must wear a mask or a face covering, just as it is in indoor public spaces such as grocery stores and public transit. Masks must be worn, for instance, in entrance and reception areas, elevators, corridors, common areas, and washrooms. Masks and face coverings are especially important when physical distancing is not possible. Conditions and/or exceptions to the mandatory mask directive may apply. For example, when not circulating in common spaces, individuals may remove their face coverings if the 2-meter physical distancing can be respected, if protected by appropriate physical barriers, or if alone in a closed office, unit, or dedicated lab space. The same applies to individuals working in a laboratory in a dedicated 16 square meter area who are also allowed to remove their face covering. This directive does not apply to individuals who cannot wear a face covering for health reasons. If, in presence of hazardous, combustible, or flammable chemicals and ignition sources, any PPE required for work takes precedent over this directive. The university encourages you to bring your own reusable masks to campus. In the event you do not have your own masks, disposable masks will be made available upon request. Please remember that wearing a mask or a face covering in public complements but does not replace other safety measures such as hygiene and physical distancing measures. Remember, hands should be washed before and after removing the mask. Masks must be worn covering the mouth and nose. Remove the mask by the ear straps and avoid touching the front of the mask. Replace the mask if it becomes damp or soiled.